What is the self? Is it our thoughts, our experiences, or perhaps our perceptions? What makes you, you? In the realm of consciousness studies, the concept of the self is a pivotal one. It refers to an individual who is at the center of their introspective cognition. However, it's important to note that this understanding of self is inherently biased. It is a subject's inherent reference to its own existence, a product of personal experiences, cognitive processes, and emotional responses. Each individual holds a unique internal view of themselves, which is anchored in these factors. This means that an individual's perception of the self is tailored to their own subjectivity, making it a unique experience that's unfathomable in its entirety by others. But be careful not to confuse the idea of possessing a self or selfhood with the broader concept of subjectivity. Though closely related, they represent distinct philosophical constructs. Subjectivity refers to the overall realm of individual thoughts, feelings, and perspectives. It encompasses a breadth of experiences beyond just the self. Selfhood, on the other hand, explicitly refers to an individual's sense of their own identity and existence. It involves recognizing oneself as a unique entity, separate from the surrounding world. This comprehension of individuality is what underpins the construct of the self and differentiates it from the overarching framework of subjectivity. The fascinating aspect of selfhood lies in its oscillatory projection. It often seems to extend outward from the individual, transcending the physical confines of the body in an attempt to relate to and comprehend the external world. However, this outward projection invariably reverts, turning back inwards to point towards its origin, the self. This reflexive process, wherein the self references back to itself, forms a cyclical pattern that fosters a sustained and consistent sense of self over time. This introspective cycle becomes vital in shaping our self-perception and self-identity. This dual process of outward projection and inward reversion further elucidates the complexity of selfhood. It underscores how our understanding of the self is not static or confined, but is continuously evolving, shaped by our interaction with the external world and our reflection on these interactions. Understanding the delicate balance between the outward projection of selfhood and its inward reversion elucidates how self-perception contributes to an individual's experience of reality. This continuous cycle of self-referential introspection refines our understanding of existence and adds depth to our subjective experiences. To sum it up, comprehending the intricate dynamics of selfhood and its relation to subjectivity provides valuable insights into the human cognitive process. It allows for a deeper understanding of individuality, consciousness, and the complexity of human experience. As future research continues to explore this area, we can expect to uncover even more nuanced models of human cognition and consciousness. The journey of understanding the self is a journey into the heart of what it means to be human,